I'm going to teach you how to download and install the latest version of the Better Minecraft mod pack. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to the channel to support my work. The best method I've found to download Better Minecraft is by using a launcher called CurseForge. To get started, open a new tab in your browser, go to Google, and search for CurseForge, exactly as I'm writing it here. Usually, the first result will be the official CurseForge website, but make sure the address is curseforge.com so you don't end up on an unofficial site. Once you're on the CurseForge website, click the orange button in the top right corner that says Get CurseForge App. You'll be redirected to a new page. Here, you can choose between the Overwolf version and the standalone version. I personally recommend the standalone version, so click on Download Standalone. After clicking Download Standalone, a file called CurseForge Windows Installer will start downloading to your computer. You can find it in your Downloads folder or in your browser's download bar. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you prefer. Once the download is complete, locate the file and double-click it to open the installer. The CurseForge setup window will appear. First, select your preferred language and click Next. Then choose the installation location, check the box confirming that you are over 18 and agree to CurseForge's policies, and click Next again. CurseForge will now install on your computer and open automatically when it's finished. When CurseForge opens, you should see the Minecraft icon on the left side menu. If Minecraft doesn't appear, click the plus button to add a game and either scan your computer for games or add Minecraft manually. Keep in mind that this only works if Minecraft is already installed on your PC. After Minecraft appears, click on the Minecraft icon and use the search bar. Type BMC5 to find the latest version of the Better Minecraft mod pack. In my case, Better Minecraft version 5 shows up as the first result. Click on it, then press the orange Install button. The mod pack will begin downloading and installing. You can check the progress by going to My Modpacks. Once the installation is complete, simply click Play and Minecraft will launch. When the Minecraft launcher opens, click Play again and your game will start. And that's it. You've successfully installed Better Minecraft.
If you run into an error when launching the Better Minecraft mod pack, especially a memory allocation error, don't worry, it's easy to fix. To solve this, go back to the CurseForge launcher and click on Settings in the bottom left corner. Then select Minecraft. Scroll down until you find the option called Allocated Memory. This setting controls how much of your computer's RAM is assigned to Minecraft. By default, CurseForge usually allocates 4,096 megabytes, which is often not enough to run Better Minecraft smoothly. I recommend setting this to at least 9,000 megabytes so the mod pack can run properly. Just adjust the slider to your desired amount of RAM, making sure you don't allocate more than your system can handle. Once that's done, close the settings, launch the mod pack again, and your game should start without any memory errors. And that's it. That's how you install, configure, and play Better Minecraft version 5. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like to support my work. Thanks for watching.